These are some really sad fan blades, but these are some really rad fan blades. I'm Wesley, and today I'm going to show you how you can quickly, easily, and cheaply make your own Batwing fan blades to add to the Halloween vibes around your home. As you can see, these pressboard blades haven't held up too well in the southern heat and humidity. We found these large PVC ceiling tiles that should be lightweight and also hold up a little bit better outdoors. I started by drawing out my Batwing design on a piece of poster board. I cut it out and traced it onto the ceiling tile, which I had cut into 5 even sections and taped together. Here I'm using a bandsaw to carefully cut out my shape. While still taped together, I use a sander to hit the edges and clean up any rough cuts. After that, I use one of the original fan blades to get the orientation of the holes just right. I keep the fan blade in place to get the hole started, then I remove it and finish drilling all the way through the 5 new blades. Then I hit each one of the blades individually with some fine sandpaper. For the finish, I'm keeping it simple with matte black spray paint. After some time to dry, all that's left is to install. The blades are carefully put into place and locked into position. And just like that, we have some working Batwing fan blades for a spooky touch to our porch this Halloween. Honestly, these might even be a permanent addition. In total, this super easy project cost about $20 and took only a day. If you enjoyed this process, I'd be glad to have you back next time while I make strange things.